Hi there, welcome to Grain TV. I'm Kevin McNew. It's Wednesday, October 26th, and it was an up day in the markets. Let's take a look at Grain Hedge's trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn gained 5.25 cents a bushel, wheat in Chicago up 7, and Chicago beans for January up a whopping 20 cents a bushel, closing in around that 1020 mark that will prove to be overhead resistance for quite some time now. So let's take a look at some of the news that was out today. It was a pretty light day. Let's start first of all with overnight action and palm oil continuing to show some strength. That's been sort of the name of the game in the last week, as the oils, palm oil and following bean oil have been rising and pulling soybeans up as well. We got some more action in palm oil today, but overall bean oil was kind of disappointing, actually closing about unchanged on the day. Really today was driven by two things. One, meal finding value and end users starting to cover there as we dip down to the $300 a ton mark. The other thing I think is just continued short covering. As we have pushed this market higher, we're getting up into key levels. November beans getting above $10 for the first time in a long while. And like I said, at the close here today with January beans getting around $10.20. So overall, really just kind of a short covering rally. We're at the tail end of harvest with 80% of the crop harvested by now. And so, the market may be finding some steam here after this big bear slide for most of the summer. Other news out today, South Korea was shopping around for a fairly sizable amount of corn, looking to buy about 276,000 metric tons. They're also in the market for some feed wheat. EIA came out with their news for the day. First of all, with ethanol, they showed production was off 7,000 barrels a day, while stocks were up 887,000. Not terribly good news or supportive for the ethanol market. Let's take a look at the action in beans, and in particular, let's take a look at Grain Hedge's trading platform and focus in on the 5-minute bar chart. You can see here in the middle where we had the big action down after the night trade, the opening bell at 8:30 Central Time. We started the day down after that higher trade in the night session, but once we dipped down after about 20 minutes of trade, it was nothing but higher throughout the day, closing at the high, like I said, around that 1020 mark. If we look at the daily bar chart from the Grain Hedge trading platform, you can see just how pivotal this 1020 mark has been, proving to be overhead resistance back in August, as well as underlying support on the move down back in July. So, this is going to be pivotal to see where we go from here. Can we broach the 1020 mark? Will we continue to push through it and generate potentially more short covering, or will this be a turn and run type of situation? Tomorrow we've got export sales. Beans are all over in terms of what expectations are, ranging from 1.5 to 2.5 million metric tons. So a wide range of expectations going into tomorrow morning's report. That could be pivotal when we get that report at 7:30 Central Time. Corn looking to see about 1 million metric tons, and wheat, as always, expected to come in somewhere between 350 and 550. That's all we've got for today on Grain TV. As always, if you'd like to learn more about how we can help you in your own grain trading situation, visit us online at grainhedge.com and take a demo of our trading platform. As a Grain Hedge trading client, you'll get our technical alerts email first thing every trading day. Technical Alerts is a powerful system that generates quality trading opportunities. Each trading opportunity shows a chart and analysis providing clear price targets and risk potential. Technical Alerts look at historical chart formations and compare the current environment to the past to form concrete trading recommendations. The commodities covered by Technical Alerts includes grains, livestock, crude oil, currencies, bonds, and metals. Start your trading day with the most powerful insight into market direction and improve your trading today. Sign up at grainhedge.com to become a client.